a landscaping perspective, the idea is to open this front yard up and create more lawn. To do that, you got to remove the trees so you get sunlight. All right, so I would end up possibly planting bushes along this stone wall to create you a natural buffer from the street. All right, it'd be something nice to look at when you're walking up the front walkway for curb appeal. Then obviously replacing all the plants along the front side of the house, in between the walkway and the house, and also in that little corner over there. So that's another, this area is roughly 20 feet by 5 feet in here. There's another bed right here, roughly 20 feet by 10 feet on this side. Then there's another bed right here, excuse me, about 15 feet, more than that actually, because it extends all the way down. About 25 feet by 5 feet in this area for landscaping. The lawn would push all the way back, say about 7 to 10 feet off the stone wall. Depending on if you took out more trees, you could extend it further. If you ended up taking out more trees up to the stone wall, based on your preference, you'll get more sunlight that way, and hence the lawn can extend further towards the wall. There's going to be a fair amount of rocks in here. It's going to have to work with them. I mean, some of the rocks that can be lifted up with the machine, we could just relocate them. Stumps have to be ground down. You're going to need quite a bit of topsoil for this area, because I have a feeling it's going to be quite ledgy. You're going to have a lot of rocks under the surface. Going to make sure I have enough topsoil on the top. Other things that we spoke about was, like, for example, one option for the lawn is you're just extending it up to roughly the corner of the house. You're just extending it parallel or perpendicular to the corner of the house. You're just extending it in this area. That's one option. The second option is extending the lawn, again, from about here, so this is the tree, from about here going down to the other lawn. Not taking down this tree, leaving that tree, but that's the kind of your line. And then you gain another, call it, like I said, 60, 70 feet by, or maybe 70 feet by almost 30 feet of lawn in this area. Okay, that's the other option, is the second option. I would rip up all the railroad ties around underneath the deck. They're all kind of falling over. Replace them. These are the railroad ties through here. Replace them with Belgian block set in cement so it doesn't slide down over time. That's the other stump we talked about grinding down, the tree company. Removing these railroad tie steps in the gravel. It's like 35 feet by 7 feet. Replacing with soil and seed, put in lawn. And then replacing this asphalt walkway with the proper bluestone walkway. Roughly 30 feet long, and I would do it at least 3 feet wide. You could do stepping stones through here, or you could do like a bluestone walkway similar to the front. And then I would consider landscaping on this side of the house, in this planting bed here. Have to be shade tolerant plantings in this area. And that's about it. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.